Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shalan Raorane, and today I am going to talk about the topic human body and organ system. These are the organ systems that are present in human body. We have already studied some characters of living organisms. All the vital processes which are essential properties of living beings are collectively called as life processes. Now, which life processes occur continuously in our body? Yes, processes like breathing, blood circulation, excretion occur continuously in our body. Different organs in our body are working in group so as to smoothly carry out various life processes. These life processes takes place in various steps. Specific organs carry out the specific steps. Group of organs working together to perform a specific function is called as organ system. Various organ systems like digestive, respiratory, circulatory, nervous, excretory, reproductive, skeletal, muscular, etc. are functioning in our body. Energy is essential to operate all the life processes in human body. Energy production occurs within the cells, and these cells need the supply of soluble nutrients and oxygen for this purpose. This supply takes place with the help of respiratory and circulatory systems. So first, let's see about respiratory system. Respiration is carried out through three different steps. External respiration, which includes inspiration, that is inhalation, where air is taken in through nose and sent towards the lungs through trachea, that is the windpipe. Expiration or exhalation is also the part of external respiration, where oxygen from the inspired air goes into the blood. Blood carries the carbon dioxide from various parts of body towards lungs. The air is given out by exhalation. Both of these processes occurring with the help of lungs are collectively called as external respiration. Next is the internal respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissue fluid is called as internal respiration. Oxygen moves from blood into tissue fluid and carbon dioxide moves from tissue fluid into blood. The third being the cellular respiration. Dissolved nutrients like glucose are slowly burned, that is, they are oxidized with the help of oxygen and energy that is released in the form of ATP. Waste materials like carbon dioxide and water vapors are produced during this process, and this cellular respiration is carried out in the human beings. Now let's learn about the respiratory system and its structure and function. First, we will see about the nose. Respiratory system and respiration begins with nose. Air is filtered with the help of hair and mucus present in the nose. We can see here the picture of pharynx. Food pipe and windpipe originate in the pharynx. Windpipe is present in front of the food pipe. There is a lid at the beginning of windpipe. This lid closes the windpipe during passing of food into food pipe and thereby normally prevents the entry of food particles into windpipe. Otherwise, windpipe remains open, hence air passes through pharynx into windpipe. Next is the windpipe. Windpipe is swollen at the beginning due to the sound box. Windpipe bifurcates in the thorax. One branch enters the right lung and the other into the left lung. The next structure in respiratory system is lung. A lung is present on either sides of heart in thoracic cavity. Maximum area of thoracic cavity is occupied by lungs and they cover the maximum part of heart. Each lung has double layered covering. It is called as pleura. Lungs are elastic like sponge. Lungs are made up of many small compartments called as alveoli. Rich network of capillaries are present around each alveolus. Walls of alveoli and capillaries are extremely thin. Gaseous exchange can easily take place across these thin walls. As large number of alveoli is present in lungs, larger surface is available for gaseous exchange. Now, how do exchange of gases in lungs takes place? Gaseous exchange occurs continuously while blood is circulating around the alveoli. An iron-containing protein, hemoglobin, is present in the RBCs of blood. Hemoglobin absorbs the oxygen from air within alveoli. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide and water vapors move from blood into the alveoli. Thus, oxygen is taken into the blood and carbon dioxide and water vapors are removed from the blood and given out by exhalation. The next structure of respiratory system is diaphragm. A muscular partition is present at the base of thoracic cage. This partition is called as diaphragm. It is present between the thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Simultaneous rising up of ribs and lowering of diaphragm causes the decrease in pressure on lungs. Due to this, air moves into the lungs through nose. When ribs return to their original position and diaphragm rises up, pressure on the lungs increases. Due to this, air moves out from it through nose. Continuous upward and downward movement of diaphragm is necessary to bring about the breathing. Thus, these were all the structure and functions of respiratory system. Thank you.